What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors, man. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm. Now we back with another shibainu update. Got to keep y'all updated with the market, what's going on. And I also want to talk about, an article that I just seen about, is the crypto winter actually coming? So, let me know off top right at the beginning of this video, after you hit the like button, do you believe that the crypto winter is upon us? So we got our own private investment community. For those that are new to the channel and haven't checked this out yet, it's on Facebook. It's called Private Stock Market Game. Also, if you're new to investing crypto, I got some free resources in the description section for y'all. Free stocks, free crypto. Just use the links and they'll get you hooked up. Now let's take a look at the prices today. The overall market is basically, we got Bitcoin up 2%, Ethereum is up 1%, but basically trading sideways. We're still down over 20% on Bitcoin for the month, down 34% on Ethereum for the month. So the market still hit heavily. I believe I seen a post saying the markets were down to about 1.2 trillion from over 3 trillion in November 2021. So you got to realize we're down over 1.8 trillion dollars. That is a significant amount of money that was in the crypto markets that have now been taken out of the crypto market. So a lot of our favorite projects and some of these other projects, we might not see return to those all-time highs for a while now. So let's refresh this real quick just to make sure we got the latest. Okay, so Bitcoin 30,363, Ethereum 1,827, BNB back hovering right around 300. We constantly keep seeing these prices trade slightly above, a slight deviation below, slight deviation above these ranges. So I think you got to make your money when the price drops low. When you see a nice 7-8% discount one day, then you see another maybe 3 to 4% discount or dip in the chart the next day. That gives you an overall 11-12% discount where you might be able to buy, and then after a week or so get those profits on that. If you're looking to trade, those are for those that are not actively holding long term but looking to make money in the meantime. So remember, none of this is financial advice. I'm just giving y'all some other options versus just holding and praying that prices go to all-time highs again. Now looking at Doge, we got Doge still at 8 cents, Solana up to $40 right now, XRP 40 cent, Cardano 58 cent, SHIB still at the 17th place by market cap at that 11 level with a $6.1 billion market cap, y'all. That is absolutely bonkers from our all-time high of I believe it was around 15 billion, maybe 17 billion at the most. But yeah, this is crazy. So right now we got basically Solana and BSUD sitting in our spots where we were previously. So this is absolutely a big hit that we took. That's why you have to learn to take profits when you're up. It may be hard because you think about missing the opportunity of the run up that you could catch, but it's better than not being left with anything or being left in in the red. So also we got an update from Satoshi saying someone rather important might see this post. Can we show them how strong the SHIB army is, please and thank you? So to me, I think this is a hint at something, letting us know that someone big is watching, and I think this is also a nod to let us know that something big is possibly on the way. Now with that post we seen from Ryoshi basically asking weekly, or asking for like at least weekly updates, I think we're gonna continue to see some big news with SHIB coming week after week. So this might be the build up to the release of Shibarium. It's not seeming like it. It's kind of quiet, but that's what's gonna happen. It's not gonna be a parade announcing to everybody that Shibarium is about to be on the way. Once they drop it, they're gonna drop it, y'all. So make sure y'all are ready. So take advantage of these discounts if you believe in SHIB long term. Now we're gonna talk about the crypto winter and the possibilities of buying more when the prices could possibly fall further. We're gonna talk about that in 1 second though. Also, Wellies says they are excited to announce the approximate 1 week away from starting the Wellies Friends NFT mint event. So it says, are you hungry to collect them all? So me personally, I'm not getting any of the Wellies NFTs. Let me know if y'all are getting any of the Wellies NFTs, and if y'all want me to cover it, I will cover more information about that. So make sure you let me know. Also, Let's take a look at some just in news from Watcher Guru. So the number of addresses holding at least one Ethereum has reached a new all-time high of 1.4 million holders. So that's nice to see Ethereum growing strong. That's a good sign for Shiba Inu as well. With Shiba Inu being the ERC20 token, it's built on top of Ethereum. And Ethereum being able to show this type of support and the people, having this much faith in Ethereum lets us know that at least the system that we're built on top of will still be around. So that way we got a better chance of being around, especially with the community that we have. So that's pretty good to see. Also, JP Morgan CEO says economic hurricane is coming. Connect the dots, y'all. We got to hear this stuff, and not saying get scared or get panicked by it, but process this information and price it into what we're doing. So think, if we hear economic hurricane is coming, how do you want to play your portfolio? Are there tokens or coins that you're up on right now that you would like to, possibly take some profits from, let the price drop and buy back in? Or are they long-term holds where you don't care what the price does in the meantime and you're willing to hold it, regardless of current price? Then, those are things to think about. You really want to think about that before, things go even lower. Because I see Bitcoin going to possibly around 25, 23,000. We got another support. And then from there, 20 to 19,000. So basically shaking everybody off back to those old previous all-time highs that we seen before this last run up we just had. So also, we got Senate candidate plans to make Dogecoin legal tender in California. Now, this lets us know crypto isn't going anywhere. We have regulators, lawmakers proposing to, make crypto legal tender. We got to connect the dots right there, y'all. Crypto isn't going anywhere. People, we humans love technology, and once we experience a certain technological advancement, we don't backstep. So crypto isn't gonna just disappear. Even if lawmakers try to put regulation on it, it still will always be around. So keep that in mind. So even though prices, we could see a crypto winter, things could go down lower. Don't be one of those people that get shaken completely out of the market by the fear of that it's all the way over with. Even if you see prices go down to, lower than what you expect, realize that at some point smart money will step in and buy it because it will be a good deal. Now, not saying smart money is gonna hold it forever, but once the price raises, you can, smart money will sell it. But what you can do is, by watching my older videos, learn how to do technical analysis and take that ride with smart money. So I showed y'all the supply and demand zones in the chart. Use that to identify smart money areas in the chart. So former federal prosecutor says it will be hard to prove criminal charges against Terra CEO Duquan. Fines are more likely. Also, Binance has partnered with music artist The Weeknd to create the first global tour to integrate Web3 tech. So this is by Binance and The Weeknd, major crypto company, major music artists. Crypto is expanding. Crypto is renaming stadiums. We got the Staples Center renamed. We got the Miami Heat stadium named after crypto. Y'all are still early, even though things are pulling back and may be uncomfortable right now, but I just want y'all to be aware that this is a part of the growing pains in crypto. The people who stick around now, during the next bull run, y'all will have y'all time to shine. Just keep that in mind. But you gotta, take it. Don't go risking the rent money. Don't go doing nothing crazy, but you gotta take advantage of the discounted prices, so that way when prices return to normal, you have even more money. Don't wait and get FOMO'd into, all time, once the prices start running back up again. So also, the White House is drafting a policy to reduce the energy consumption and carbon footprint of Bitcoin and crypto mining. Also, Gemini will lay off 10% of its staff. That's something we got to connect the dots with. Why are they laying off employees? Because they're bracing for something that they expect to happen. Basically, the markets to pull back, so they need less staff. Also, we got Kanye West has filed 17 trademark applications for NFTs around his Yeezus name. We got the richest black man in America, filing trademarks around his brand for NFTs. This is big stuff. We see big artists, big business people, big companies all focused towards crypto, all preparing for what's about to take place. Do not be left behind, y'all. So if y'all are watching these videos, y'all subscribe, y'all are more informed, because a lot of people don't see this news. A lot of people aren't tapped in to the markets like this to know what's happening every day. So I just want to say shout out to y'all. Also, we got you can now pay for food at Chipotle with Bitcoin, and here's someone basically doing that transaction. I'm not sure if this is the first transaction with crypto to Chipotle, but there's a video of that right there. So shout out to them for making that happen. And then let's see. So I wanted to go into this article of the Winklevoss twins cutting 10% of its staff, saying crypto winter is here. So let's look, see what they got to say. Billionaire Bitcoiners Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss are laying off 10% of the workforce at Gemini, a first for the US-based cryptocurrency exchange and custodian. The twins announced in a blog post on Thursday morning that the industry is in a contraction phase known as crypto winter, which has been further compounded by the current macroeconomic and geopolitical turmoil. We are not alone, and the memo continued. Fellow exchange Coinbase recently reported that revenue had fallen 27% from a year ago, as had overall usage. It's been a brutal few weeks for the crypto market. $500 billion was wiped off the sector's market cap as Terra USD, one of the most popular US dollar pegged stablecoins, imploded virtually overnight. It is unclear whether this recent rut marks the next crypto winter, a multi-year bear market that occurs on a cyclical basis for the crypto asset class. Those dropping trading volumes on crypto exchanges is one sign that we may be headed in that direction. The last so-called crypto winter ran from 2018 into the fall of 2020 as the value of cryptocurrencies plunged and layoffs were rife. Gemini, which has been around since 2014 and is valued at $7.1 billion as its last funding round, has 1,033 people on its payroll, according to PitchBook, which translate to about 100 employees affected by today's layoffs. CNBC reached out to Gemini to ask for the exact figure, but the press team declined to comment beyond the blog post. As for next steps, Gemini has closed its physical offices today in order to protect employee privacy. Impacted team members will receive a calendar invite for individual conversations about separation packages and healthcare benefits. On Friday, remaining employees will take part in a company-wide stand-up to talk about its future. The memo says that Gemini wants to focus on only products that are critical to its mission, and team leaders will assess whether their teams are right sized for the current turbulent market conditions that are likely to persist for some time. Today is a tough day, but one that will make Gemini better over the long run, the brothers wrote in a staff-wide memo. Other fintech startups such as Robinhood and BitMEX have recently cut staff, but even as crypto companies pare back their rosters, venture capitalists continue to pour money into the crypto ecosystem. Andreessen Horowitz recently announced a new $4.5 billion fund dedicated to backing crypto and blockchain companies. And Binance Labs, the company's venture arm, has raised $500 million for a fund dedicated to investing in Web3 startups. So we see, what's happening right here. We see a contraction, as the Winklevoss twins said, but people are taking crypto serious. People are preparing for, the success of crypto. And a part of that success is, taking the good with the bad. So sometimes the markets are going to pull back. It could be a healthy pullback. It could be a pullback caused by, like they say, macroeconomic conditions. We got the war in Russia. We got, coming off of, the coronavirus situation and all the money that was pumped in with low interest rates. So, caused a lot of high spending, which raises prices overall. We got supply chain, issues. We got, inflation issues. A lot of things are affecting the market right now. So we got to just prepare for this and realize, when I try to think about it, I try to be as optimistic as possible. But when I ask myself, do I think we're going to see prices by, the next 3 months, 2 to 3 months back at all-time highs? I have to say not. Where's this money going to come from? Unless some type of stimulus gets pushed out again and, we start to see people investing back in the markets, then it can happen. But with what the Federal Reserve is trying to do, Jerome Powell says they're doing their best in anything they have to do to curb inflation, and that's by raising interest rates, which is going to make borrowing more expensive, and riskier assets will be less utilized, or less people invest into them and move over to safer assets like bonds. So we gotta just connect the dots here and prepare for what's about to happen. Hold your portfolios with the assets that you're holding, long term, 1 year, 3 year, 5 year, 10 years plus 20 years are the ones that you plan on passing down to the kids or whatever. But the ones that you're not too sure about, I would be taking some profits. Now, don't use this as 100% guarantee, because let's say something could run up, and then you could potentially miss out on those gains. But don't get left in the cold, man. So I just wanted to share that with y'all. We're gonna wrap this up. I appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.